Are you wondering if YouTube TV includes ESPN Plus as part of its service? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether these two platforms are connected. If you're hoping to access ESPN Plus through YouTube TV, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not include ESPN Plus in its channel lineup or package options. While YouTube TV offers ESPN and ESPN2 as part of its standard package, ESPN Plus is a separate subscription service that provides exclusive content like UFC, MLB, NHL, and original shows. The two services operate independently, so you'll need to subscribe to each separately if you want access to both. However, you can still enjoy ESPN Plus alongside YouTube TV by switching between apps on your device. Keep in mind that some ESPN Plus content, like select games or events, may occasionally air on ESPN networks included in YouTube TV's lineup. If this video helped you understand that YouTube TV doesn't include ESPN Plus, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.